Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I have a Rummage sale haul to share with you guys in October. Isn't that great? I was really surprised to see that a local church was having a big Rummage sale today, and I remembered that last year I had gone to a Rummage sale around the same time. Turns out it's the same one I went to last year. They have it annually. That's great because Rummage sales are some of my favorite kinds of sales. They often have a lot of great vintage stuff. I got this whole huge box sitting next to me for $11.75. I have no idea what things were individually priced. I just know what the price was altogether because they just tallied it up and told me, and I thought that sounded good. So I'm just going to share with you what's in the box. So let's dig in. I got 6 of these really great placemats. They are the Better Homes and Gardens brand. They fit great on my table. They work well with my dishes, so that was an awesome find. So I got 6 of those. I found this really beautiful vintage jar. I love finding these at secondhand sources because they're so pretty, and the older ones just have these really great designs. It doesn't have a seal on it, so I'm not sure what exactly we're going to put in this yet. Something that it won't be affected by that. I just love this. That was so beautiful. I couldn't leave it behind. So Molly was with me for this sale, and she picked out this. It is in a box that says Made in China. It's got a really nice box, but she has started collecting these. It's a wooden fan with this really intricate design. So that's pretty fun. She has quite a few from family members who do a lot of traveling, and so now she has one that she bought with her own money, and the box is just too cool. You see that cool design? Anyway, so Molly got that. They had an awesome craft section. So many great goodies. We grabbed all of the cone-shaped items they had. We thought these would be great for making Christmas tree crafts, and I have some in mind, so I'm really excited about that. These ones I've never seen before. They're like a really tough cardboard almost. I don't know. But yeah, these will make really great Christmas trees for crafts. So I got 6 altogether. I know, I'm crazy. I bought glitter and a lot of it. This is Craft House Glitter Crystals, and it's the like shiny snow type color. And we also got a small one. This is Create a Craft brand. And I also got gold. And then this is like red and green mixture. So lots of fun there, and we use glitter for when we make our little scenes. I don't use it with my little guys, just Molly and I get to use glitter. So this ornament Molly picked up, it's like gold, silver, and then copper color, and it's engraved Christmas 1991, but you don't have to have that part showing. It can twist around like this, which is fun. But her middle name is Joy, so she likes collecting ornaments that say Joy for Christmas time, so she picked that out. I grabbed this really neat tin. It says Meister Made in Brazil on the bottom. It has a really cute Christmas scene, and that's repeated along the sides as well. Looks nice and clean inside. So obviously I could use this for display at the holidays, but I really like how Miss SNSHOME keeps all of her ornaments in little boxes and tins and things. So I got this thinking I could use it for that. This was another one of Molly's finds. It's fake pearls, but really pretty vintage style necklace. So she got this to go with her Christmas dress that we got off of POSHMARK, and it does look very pretty with her Christmas dress. And she told me, she came upstairs and said, Mom, it actually looks really pretty displayed on my mirrored tray too. So you guys know I have a weakness for vintage Christmas stuff. If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know this about me. But this was a set of, it's got some cobwebs on it. Ugh. Anyway, this was a set of ornaments, Old World decorations, 5 hand-blown decorated glass. There's only 4 in the box. Holly decorations, Los Angeles, California. Isn't that a cute little holly design? And here are the ornaments. So those are real cute. I really love the sort of frosted look on there. This sale last year, I found a really big quilting hoop that I turned into a wreath downstairs. And this year I found a really big like circle hoop. The other one was oval shaped. So I think this would also make a really great wreath. And I'm thinking that maybe it would work nicely on my back door. Or since the one I made for the basement is fall themed, this could be the one I make for Christmas. And just have another hoop wreath down there when I take down the fall one. So anyway, that I thought was a great find. I also found this wreath. I saw this first actually, and it still has the tag on it. And I just thought the texture on this was really nice. Like the grapevine is thick. A lot of times the grapevine wreaths that you find are actually like really thin and twiggy and they break really easily. And this is like nice and thick. So I thought this would be a really great wreath to craft with. I don't know if I'll make something and then give it to someone as a gift or hang it up in my house. We shall see. Okay, here's some more vintage Christmas stuff, you guys. I have a Christmas problem, I think. But I found these. I found a whole bag of these. They are napkin rings and they have the little poinsettias. And I have green napkins, red napkins, and white napkins that these will look really, really pretty with. I haven't even counted how many are in here, but a whole bag full. So I couldn't help it. Then I grabbed this box full of ornaments. I don't love blue at Christmas time. I know there was a time where red, white, and blue Christmas ornaments were kind of like a way to decorate. Like a lot of people use that color scheme to be patriotic here in the US. I tend to like more like red, white, green, silver, gold. So these blue ones, I don't know, I might just donate. But I love the red, and some of them say Shiny Brite on the top, which you know that's why I bought this. Because I love Shiny Brite. You can just tell they're older by the kind of top they have. I can't get it out and I don't want to break it. Ooh, I didn't break it. Made in the USA, just nice gold ones. The green, gold, silver, and red I will keep, but I think I'll pass on the blue ones. I don't know. Maybe I'm being unpatriotic. Then I found this set of lights, you guys. So this is novelty tree lights. The original price tag says $23.98. Here, I'll just show you one of these because it's loose. But it has all the different Disney characters on it. But I thought that this would be a great resale item. I'm going to see if I can't resell these and make some of my money back that I spent. I only spent, you know, like I said, around $11. If I could sell these for $10, it's like thrifting for free, which is nice. So Molly has it down in her room, but we actually found a new in-package wallet that was like probably from the 60s, and it came in this little box. I'll try to see if I can't insert a clip of it because it's just so cute. It's brand new. It had like the little original tag and everything. So she loves it, and she's going to use it. On the way out of the Rummage sale, they had the sidewalk lined with boxes of free stuff, which was really fun to dig through. And I found a few things that I knew I could use. One was this really cute pink Clinique bag. I actually needed a new travel makeup bag, and I can just throw away my other one. I've had it for like, I don't know, 14 years. It's nice to have a new one, especially since it was free. And then I found this guy, and I don't really have a purpose for it, but it was in a free box, and it's marked Japan. And I just thought it was too cute, so I had to grab it because you can't leave that behind. It's been glued back together, so I think that maybe that's why they put it in the free box, but I think I'm going to pass this on to somebody who will love it. This was also in the free box. Let's see if I can do this with my glasses on. I can't get it on. So this little clown nose was in the free box as well. Molly grabbed it for Liam. He got a kick out of it. I don't know if we'll end up keeping it or just redonate, but it was really funny as a joke when we got back to be like, look what we got you. He thought it was funny anyway. I found this older ruler. It has like a different print on it than I'm used to seeing. So whether we make a craft out of it, which is probably what we'll do, or use it sort of as display during the fall time, I just thought this was really neat to have a little piece of back to school history. And then the last thing that was in the free box was a blue insulator. Can you believe that was free? It says Hemming Gray 42. I think the reason why they marked it free is because it does have a chip on it, which the ones I have also have chips on it. So I already have a small collection of these. I'm going to see if one of my sisters wants them because I know they like them too. And I'm going to see them soon. So I grabbed that to share and pass on. So that is my rummage sale haul. You guys, this was too much fun. Molly and I had a great time just rummaging, especially knowing that this is probably the last time we'll do this until spring. I can't pick a favorite because I think I found some really great things. So I have an entire playlist with all my yard sale hauls that I've ever shared with you, linked down below in the description box. I hope you'll go check it out if you love watching these types of videos. If you are a fan of yard sale hauls and rummage sales, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you here at the Sweet and Simple home. I love making my home beautiful little by little, and I do a lot of that with my fun little thrift finds. So if you're into that too, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so that way you get a notification when I have new content for you guys. So if you missed the video that I shared about the hoop wreath that I made with the hoop that was oval shape I got last year, I'm going to link that right here so you can go watch that next, and you can click my face to subscribe. Thanks so much you guys for watching. You take care, and I will be back with more soon. Bye!